Hi, today we're going to learn about having word problems that can be solved with a multi-step equation. So this situation can be challenging depending on what the word problem is. So I'm going to go through just strategies or ways that you can solve it. So I'm going to put some text in here. Let's say we have a word problem. A very common one is that first comes to my mind is cell phone plans. So let's imagine we have company one. And their cell phone plan is that you have to pay $50 a month, no matter what, plus, how about we go with 37 cents per long distance minute. Okay, so that means if you're talking on the phone long distance, 37 cents for every minute that you talk long distance, okay? So then maybe we have company two, and let's say that theirs, they only charge $35 per month. But then they charge plus $1.50 per long distance minute. Okay. Well, then a common question we might get asked is, after how many minutes do these two companies cost the same in a month? So after how many minutes do these two companies cost the same in a month? Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So company one, I'm going to write an equation for them. $50. We're just talking about a month. So we're talking about 1 month. So $50 for the month, no matter what, no matter how much you spend on the phone long distance. But then you also have to increase the amount you pay per long distance minute. So it's 37 cents per that minute, right? So if you talk on the phone for only one long distance usually means like you're calling another country. Then it's just 37 cents. If it's 2 minutes, then you multiply that by 2. If it's 3 minutes, you multiply by 3, and so on. So that would be for company number one. Company number one. How about we go with company number two? Their flat fee is $35, but then you also have to pay $1.50 per long distance minute. And the question is, after how many minutes will these two companies cost the same in a month? So same means equal. So I want to set these two things equal to each other. So 50 plus 37 cents per minute equals 35 plus $1.50 per minute. And now it's just a multi-step equation that we can solve. We notice that there's an m on both sides, and we don't like that. I always choose the smaller m, so that's 37 cents, and we need to get rid of it. So we have a plus 37m. I'm going to draw that wall. It helps me keep track of what I'm doing. So I'm going to subtract 37 cents, m, on both sides of my equal sign. Because I did the opposite, this is gone. The only thing left on this side is 50 equals 35 plus, I'm just going to do $1.50 minus 37 cents. That's $1.13 a minute. Okay, now it's just a two-step equation. Even better, every step we do makes it a little bit easier. Subtract $35 on both sides. So 50 minus 35 is 15 equals $1.13 per minute. Now we just divide by 1.13 on both sides. And the number of minutes for which these two cost the same. So this is a really long decimal. It's 13.274333628. Okay, so 27, it's common to round to the nearest hundredth or two decimals. The question will tell you how much you round to. Sometimes it's just a tenth, sometimes a hundredth, sometimes a thousandth. So I'm going to go to the nearest hundredth. That's my personal favorite. So that's 2 decimal places. So if it is 274, well, this 4 is small, so I round down to just 13.27.